Talofa, to all our Samoan people here today. You know, we just want to say that we're actually Samoan. We're not Niue or Tongan, Fijian, European half-caste. We're full-blooded Samoan. My name is Canada, Alofa, and this is Vela Manusauti.
With my 25 kids, you know. I think about it, baby, I think about it, we were young, We married quite young, but I want us to start all over again, that baby. I was thinking about it, when I was overseas, I think about the times. I think about the times when we used to sit in front of our house, and Wednesday night and watch Telly Bingo, And we get up early in the morning on Thursday morning and go and check out benefit. I miss all that, honey. You know what I'm saying? I love you, baby. I love you. I love all my kids, You are my world, Of course I love you, honey. That's why I came back. I came back for you, the kids. You really love me? Songa. Of course I love you. Baby, you say it one more time. Songa. I love my kids. Come on, honey.
Uncle, I am sick and tired of your liar. Your new name is liar.